Although this channel is the Vector Garden, I like to take a look at Photoshop every now and then. And there's some new functionality in the Photoshop beta that I want to show you because it makes workflows so much easier. And also, when you're focused on vector graphics, then you might not be as proficient in Photoshop as you'd like to be. So this will help a lot. This is the public beta, so you can just download it via the Creative Cloud and then use it. The first part of this covers released functionality that you will find in the released version as well. And I'm going to cover a setting. So we go to the settings in image processing. And in there, you've got the setting for select subject and remove background. And you can set this to cloud or device. And if you do that in the cloud, you get better results. But of course, it's the cloud, so if your company policy doesn't allow that, then of course you cannot do that. I'm going to cancel here. And next, we're going to use this button, select subject, and have Photoshop figure it out. So there is our selection, and now I can copy this, go to the other image, and then paste it. And you see it has a nice edge, and Photoshop has done a good job selecting this subject. I'm going to make this a little smaller, like this, and put it in here so that it sits there, and I'm done. And now you see the lighting is pretty bad. It doesn't match at all. So what we can do here is use this button. That is the new feature. So we're going to harmonize that. And now Photoshop does its thing, does some computing. And of course, this happens with the help of AI so that this picks up the lighting that is present in the scene and puts it onto that image I have pasted into this file. And it does a pretty good job with it, as you will see. So like this. And you see it has adjusted the lighting of that zebra, and it has put a shadow below it so that it now looks as if it has been sitting there all the time.